Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday, and this is our June kit reveal. You just saw a minute ago the mood board inspiration piece, which I created. I did not find that on Pinterest. I created that myself. I'm so proud of myself. It's the first time I created my own mood board. And second is sketches that I did select from Pinterest account. Page Maps has their own separate account, but they post their sketches on Pinterest as well. So anyway, I selected several of them. If you are not new to our channel, welcome back. If you are, I just want to go over real briefly, if you would like to play along, how you can do that. Below is the link to our Facebook group. What you need to do is put your kit together to create 4 layouts for the month of June. Snap a photograph of your kit, upload it to the Facebook group in the June album, and you'll get 1 entry for doing that. Then, as you create your 4 layouts, you want to snap a photograph and upload those to the June layout, and that will give you 5 entries, because there's 5 Mondays in the month of June, to possibly win a curated kit from me if you live in the US. If one of the winners that is selected is not from the US, then we will work out like a gift card. You do not have to follow the mood inspiration piece to play along. So if you do not like our inspiration piece and you do not like our sketches and you want to do your own thing, that is a-okay. So anyway, back to what I was getting at. So sometimes we use a collection to put our kit together. Sometimes we use a designer and use several of theirs collections and put a kit together. And then sometimes we just go for it and mix every different type of collection and designer together. All right, so for me this month, I've said a full mouthful and I have gone on now for 3 minutes, and I know you want to see my page kits within my kit. All right, the only thing that's not going to be included in my kit is the finishing touches of sprays, paints, Nuva drops, and my alphas, all right, because it'll make it too chunky, and they're right next to my desk. So we're gonna have, and then the idea of my page kits is I use everything that's in my page kits, and if I still need more embellishments, then I can reach right to the left of me, right over here. You just saw that shadow, the left of me. I have my boxes by colors and by theme. So what I mean by theme, this is like my outdoor stuff. So those are my extra embellishments, all right? And I do have chipboard pieces too. And they stay in their 12 by 12 form or 6 by 12 until I've used anywhere from 50 to 75% of it. Then they'll stay in their original format, and I'll show you an example. So like I have this chipboard piece that I haven't touched at all, so it's all together. But let's say I only have this much left, then I will put it by color. All right? Just a little note there. All right, here we go. This is a photograph of my husband and our little guy from 3 years ago. So I'll move that to the side. Let's go ahead and do the embellishments. I put them in this little vest, this little bag here, and sometimes I use these bags with my layouts as well. And I said that I wouldn't include washi tape, but if it's thin like this, see how thin that is, and there's not much left to use, I will put it in with the bag. But some of them are this chunky thick, and that's too much. So I have these 2 washi tapes. I have this from Wolfpack from Heidi Swap Tag, her puffy stickers that go with that collection, another puffy sticker, and a couple die cut pieces. One's like a vellum, clear, and these stars were just in my stash, and then that's from the Wolfpack. And so that I don't lose those little pieces, I've got them in here. And then these are Heidi Swapp's enamel dots, and this did not wasn't released at the same time as the Wolfpack. I have no idea when they were, but she had these in lots of different colors, and I have these green ones. All right, this paper here is from Pink Fresh Studio. It's called spit out, Dolly, Noteworthy, and it's upside down. There we go. So that's that. And then this piece right here is from Wolfpack. And I have this side, and I'm actually got a second piece of this that I'm using on another layout in this kit. And then this is Fancy Pants. So I have 3 different designers, and I think 3 different manufacturers. Though I'm not sure if Fancy Pants is by American Crafts or not. Could be. All right, I drew my inspiration from that mood board, the outdoor theme, and then there was some green also in that mood board. So that is going to be one layout. I don't know what order I'll do these layouts. So that's one page kit. This would be 2-page kit. I drew my inspiration from the golfer in the photograph, the white and the orange. And then there's also some yellow in the gaming. This is my husband's older brother. My husband is the second oldest. These two are only 14 months apart, so they're very close in age. I have these stickers that came from Close to My Heart, and all I have left from the 12 by 12 sticker sheet were these, what do I got here? 6 items, and I thought I would try to get them used up. That came from Blue Skies collection that was released in May. Then I have some embellishments right here, some enamel, some tags, a chipboard, a flower, a puffy sticker, an enamel dot. And I have a couple more. Oh, and another chipboard and a chipboard. And obviously you can tell in the photograph they are with their granddaughter right here. Their oldest daughter's daughter right there is, oh no, maybe this is the youngest. This is the middle one. This is the oldest. So the middle one is obviously graduating from pre-kindergarten, I think, or pre-kindergarten. So we have, oops, let me stick those in the bag. Heart. And this is just a paper frame. I don't know if I'll use it. It's not part of this collection of Photo Play T for 2. And then this is another Photo Play, and this is called Hi Ho, Hi Ho. And this was just released this year of 2020, and I was able to snag this up when I did my annual birthday purchase in March. So that's going to be late. And like I said, I drew the inspiration off the golfer that's in the mood board. He's wearing white and orange, and then there's some yellow in a person playing, you know, like one of those Nintendo games. Not Nintendo, but anyway, you go. Xbox type game. All right, this one is going to be my black and white. If you have been following my channel, I am scrapbooking a few of my dad's army pictures when he was in Germany, France, Spain. Where else did he go? I don't know what that tour when he was in the army. I think he got to go to the New England states, but he did that on his own. Like, you know, they get time off, sometimes like a month or something. So anyway, I created my dad a whole album. He's promised me that'll be mine of all the places that he went to. Like, he got to see a bullfight in Spain, and then all those architectural buildings and so forth. And I kept a few just to pass down to my kids, and I'm sticking with the black and white theme. And so here is a photograph. I don't know where they're off to. I don't know the story behind it, which I need to get that from my dad. So anyway, this is what this is, black and white. This paper right here is from Cartabella. It's called Home Again. These two papers are from the Heidi Swap Wolfgang or Wolfpack collection, which I purchased the full paper pack, but you get like doubles or threes, and I shared them with my mini kit Monday friend Daisy and sent her some of that in embellishment, and I have yet to use it. I know that she's used some of it already. And then here is the black and white. Look what I found too. I thought this was really cool. My stash says free to fly. But I got some flares, I got some hearts, I got tags, I got for hidden journaling because I've got a lot of pattern paper here, chipboard. I got this from an old traveler's collection that Shamel did, and I thought this was perfect to go with that. And then I have some puffy hearts from Felicity Jane, and some tags, and then some cards from Close to My Heart. So that takes care of, and then a vellum piece here from Paige Evans collection one time. So I've got a mix match going on here, some washi tape, and I don't know where those items came from. I'm surprised that I remember half these embellishment items. Okay, so because these were so large, I put them in one of these here. I repurpose stuff if I can do it. A lot of times I use the Close to My Heart ones, but this happened to be on my desk, an old Sizzix, so it was handy and I grabbed that. But I prefer the Close to My Heart because it's square and it fits nicely and I can tuck it. This one I can't tuck, so I gotta be careful. So that's number 3, and I put 5 page kits together. Hopefully I'll get a bonus. All right, this is gonna be a fun one. This is gonna be a picture of my brother-in-law, and this would be the youngest brother, and we were at a friend's birthday party last year, and I've been scrapping a lot of those photographs, and some are going to our friend, his birthday, and then this one is going to stay for me in my album. I love this is our friend's brother, but this is my brother-in-law right here. And they are dancing. There's a jukebox, and it was fun. All right, so some of the members were camping. We were up in the mountains. A gator is because my brother-in-law was raised in Florida. He's a true Floridian. I like this that says dance like nobody else can. I got a chipboard that says go and a few, and I can already tell there's not enough embellishments going right here. But I selected a lot of orange, and I can't figure out what other color I want to bring in when I put this kit, so I didn't want to get too stumped and just move on, because like I said, I can get into my box of maybe blues. I'm kind of playing off the orange. There is red here, but the orange goes good with this because this will probably be the background. We'll see. All right. So this is layout number 4. I say 4, but it doesn't mean I'm going to do it in the order that I'm showing you. And this is my 5th one, and this is going to be a photograph of my father-in-law with his 3 sons. Oh, there was a show called that, right? My 3 sons. All right, and I'm using this side. Remember, I just showed you that side, but I'm going to use this side and keep this intact, play around off of this right here. And I'll probably cut into this one and that one. Isn't this gorgeous paper? I have no idea what I'm going to do. And then again, from the Heidi Swap Wolfpack, I have embellishments or die cuts, puffy, clear, tag, a deer, and then tags and a puffy. And then I can even use this bag as some layering. So when you're putting your page kits, don't get stuck. If you run out, when you run out of ideas or items that you're picking, you're like, well, I don't know what else to pick, then just go on. Start with your next one. Don't get hung up. because then you could be sitting for hours. But just figured out in this, what helps me too with page kits, I normally pick my photos and then do the papers. But if I'm following the mood inspiration piece, then I will pick my papers, then I did the photographs, then I did my embellishments. All right, so those are my 5 kits. Just to let you know, just like I did in May, I was honoring all the women and girls, ladies in my life, and for June, it's going to be all men layout. I hope you guys all play along. The links are listed below. Have fun creating. I can't wait to see your layouts posted over at our Facebook group. Again, everything will be linked below. Show everybody some love, give some thumbs up, hop along to each one of the ladies' channels. I guarantee you will receive tips and tricks and be inspired to put together a kit. See you next time, or at least see you next Monday. Bye.